guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to use Greenlight card on Cash App. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now using your Greenlight card and Cash App is actually pretty easy and a straightforward process. Now in this case, for you to start using it, you first need to connect it into your account for you to start cashing in via this card here. In this case, what you need to do is you need to make sure that you're using the latest version of the Cash App mobile app. In this case, once you've done that, go ahead and open it up, and from your home screen, go ahead and look for the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. Now from here, once you click on it, scroll down a bit, click on the link banks option, and from here, click on the option that says link card. Now from here, you just need to follow the prompts for you to basically connect your Greenlight card. Now in this case, you might need to provide your card number, the postal ID or postcode for your card here, or zip code. In this case, once you provide all the desired details, go ahead and close it, and from here on, you should be able to start using it in your Cash App account. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.